What Sagittarius archetype are you? Are you the comedian? Are you the teacher? Are you the philosopher? Are you the crusader? There are so many. But if there is any one nakshatra that embodies the best qualities of Sagittarius, it's love for freedom, it's creativity, it's friendliness, and it's Yaronkayar nature. It is the nakshatra of Purvashadha that comes in at number 20 in my series of design inspiration from the nakshatras. Purvashadha translates to Ashadha is invincible, Purva is first, so Purvashadha is the first amongst invincibles, also known as the star of victory. If you want to see it in the sky, Purvashadha can be seen as a bunch of three stars, which are Cos Australis, Cos Borealis, and Cos Media. And together they resemble the shape of a fan, which is also the symbol for Purvashadha, very apt because you can always rely on these guys to fan the flames of enthusiasm in a very Marela Thakela group. Other symbols of Purvashadha is an elephant tusk, which signifies strength. A very unique symbol of Purvashadha is, what is that? The winnowing basket, which signifies that Purvashadha has the discerning ability to separate the wheat from the chaff. Now, if you have prominent planets in Purvashadha, you have the energy and the intelligence and wit of its animal, which is the male monkey. But you also have the incredible emotional depth that is granted to Purvashadha by its ruling deity, which is Apaha, the goddess of water, who I think was said to be the consort of Varun, but is the goddess of water. Now, the jewel that we have created for Purvashadha is actually two beautiful chokers in 22 karat matte gold with a basket weaves that comes from the winnowing basket for Purvashadha for the discretion that it is granted. And there is this scalloped fan like texture on it. The clasp is in diamonds because the ruling planet of Purvashadha is Venus, which is why diamonds. Which of these two do you like more? Stay tuned for the next nakshatra, which is Uttarashadha.